Alright, ladies and gentlemen, RC Bash Boy here. Welcome. So today, we're gonna go ahead and do an unboxing. This is the TRX4 K5 Blazer by Traxxas. Okay, so before I open this up, there were a couple of friends on YouTube here asking me, hey Gabriel, what color did you get? So, the available colors of this K5 Blazer is orange and white, and red and black. So, which color do you think I got? Let's see here. Is it the orange one? Is it? What do you guys think? Or is it the red one? So, of course, you know this vehicle does not come, and as you can see here, does not come with battery and charger. Okay, so you will have to provide, your own batteries, your own charger, in order for you to run this thing. So I'm very excited. I can't wait to get it open. This is pretty cool. It says the skill level 1. So it says right here, no previous experience with radio control models is required. Model requires the minimum setup, maintenance, or support equipment. Okay, so hopefully I think I'm a level 1. I'm not sure. Maybe a level 3, level 5. I don't know how many levels is there, but yeah, let's open this up. Okay, so I went to my local hobby shop, and actually I did pick this up from my local hobby shop, and I will be putting, a 5-channel receiver onto this. So this radio will be retired quickly. And yeah, let's see what's in the box. Oh boy, look at that. Fancy. I really do like how Traxxas actually, covers their bodies. Obviously they do put a plastic bag on top of there, so it won't get scratched or anything like that. So yeah, so it's really pretty. And of course, the color that I picked is orange and white. So there you go. So here is the owner's manual. Okay, and also on the other side, you have a couple of Allen wrenches, the hexes, to remove the wheels, and also the body clips. So when you get this vehicle, Traxxas, what they do is they only put 2 body pins on there. Okay, so if you're curious, if you're asking, hey, well, how come Traxxas didn't provide me with back? No, they're there. It's actually, in the owner's manual. So yeah, just remove those from the packaging, put them on there, and you're good to go. Oh man, I gotta say, man, this thing is gorgeous. So I was watching a couple of Traxxas videos on YouTube, and yeah, this thing is amazing. So as you can see, I'm not gonna remove this yet, because actually I do have plans of working on this thing before I do an official run. The vehicle will be getting the LED kit from Traxxas. The little module and all the wirings, that need to go in order for me to have LEDs. And also, one of the mods that I will be doing is I will be upgrading, the differential housings. I will be putting the hot racing, the brass, pretty much the diff covers, and well, not the covers, this piece, the differential. That is one thing that I'll be putting onto this vehicle before I even run it. I also do like the fact that, even these wheels, they're awesome looking. Okay, I mean, they do look like it's pretty much scale, So Traxxas did an amazing job, putting this rig together. So, and I'm like I said, I'm very excited with this rig. Also, the door handle, little mirror, Yeah, man, this thing is amazing. So one of the things that I immediately changed, I went from a Traxxas connector to a Dean's plug. Of course, this does not come, from the factory. I just went ahead and I put this. Why? Because I use Dean's batteries. And of course, your standard 21 turn mortar, brushed mortar. You got your XL5 ESC, and if I'm not mistaken, this is the 2-speed servo, the 2-speed transmission. On the other side, we have the receiver box that's in here. This is where I will be putting obviously my Spectrum receiver, and also these are your servos to lock your divs. So yeah, man, this thing is amazing. I've never owned a TRX4. I do own, the Ascender, top of my head, the Ascender, the SCX10, the HPI, but never a TRX4. So I'm very, very excited, with this platform. So there you have it, ladies and gentlemen. If you guys have any questions, please comment down below. And yeah, I'm excited. This thing is killer, man. Oh, Traxxas really did a good job with this one. So yeah, once again, I will be upgrading, the differential casings, hot racing the brass. I will be putting the LED kit, and I'll be binding this to my Spectrum receiver. I don't have anything bad to say, with this remote. This remote does really amazing because it's, the TQI. It does feature a bunch of things, but the reason why I upgrade is because I don't like to have a lot of controllers. I try to minimize, as much controllers as I can. So my thing is, pretty much get a Spectrum receiver, bind it to this, and voila. I just use it on my DX6R. So yeah. So stay tuned. If you're looking for more videos of this, videos will be coming soon. And yeah, please share, like, and subscribe. RC Bash Boy here. Thanks for watching.